Guys, Andrew here and welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to open the emoji picker on your Windows 11 PC. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to simply open up Microsoft Word, for example, and let's say I'm in Word, I'm writing a new document. Let's say I write hello world. Let's put it like that, pretty old, right? So let's say I type hello world and I would like to use emoji. I can use the emoji picker. Now, how do you open the emoji picker? All you have to do, press the Windows key plus the period, and you will see that it opens, and from here you can simply go ahead and choose whichever emoji you want, right? So just simply need to click on them and it will open up those emoji, and as you can see, it start to fill them at the top there. So whatever you want, just simply go ahead and press it and it will press it on the emoji picker there. So if you scroll here, you have the emojis, guys. You can click this and you can see quite a lot of different emojis that you can choose from, right? You have the most recent, you can scroll down, you can see all of the most recent one that you have picked, and you also have like some people here. You also have, other celebration objects, so quite a lot of different icons that you can choose from, and you have some arts. Yeah, you can use some arts if you want. So, or you can use a search, right? So let's say you want to type, for example, love. You will see that it start to find some heart and all this kind of stuff. So that's it. And you also have some gifts here that you can use. So pretty interesting, right? So you can simply go ahead and insert whatever you want in it. So very easy stuff. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.